Hi guys, welcome back. Just Robert here alone today. So today I'm planning on removing the timber box section off the side, removing the bulkhead, and then hopefully being able to get the plywood up off the floor so we're down to bare metal so we can see what state it's in, start getting it ready for insulation. Well, that took 2 seconds. For the next job, getting the bulkhead off, I'm going to have to wait for Laura to get back to give us a hand because it's obviously big and bulky. So I'll get back to you as soon as she gets back. So. The certain ones I'd feel the top one. Keep that in. One. Sure to free up the bulkhead to come out. We'll have to just lean it back your way over. And then out. It's been a few days since I started the last video taking the floor and the bulkhead out. I had a few difficulties getting the floor out. The screws, some of them were absolutely rusted solid. The screw heads just disintegrated as soon as I tried them with a screwdriver. I couldn't do it. I had to give my dad a call and he asked us to go over. So went over, forgot to pick my phone up. So couldn't record it. My dad got the screws out. As we lifted the floorboards up, we found just inside the wheel arches 2 rust patches. So while I was there, he quickly got his angle grinder out, cut the rusty patches out, welded 2 new plates in, sprayed it, and got it ready to go. So our next job is to get the boards off the walls and we're going to insulate the walls, insulate the floor, and then go from there. Until the next time, we'll see you shortly. This is our van,
Our way.